Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about our linear equations in two variables. Subtopic is solutions of linear equation. What is a solution of linear equation? So here this is the definition: pair of values of x and y which satisfies the linear equation in two variables called its solution. Pair of values of x and y which satisfy the linear equation in two variables is called a solution. Here first we have to take one of the equation x plus y is equals to 5. This is a two variable equation. So we have to substitute when x is equals to 1. So substitute x is equals to 1 instead of x in the given equation. So 1 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 minus 1. So y is equals to 4. So the pair of values which satisfies the given linear equation is called its solution. So here this is the solution. Here the pair of values are satisfies the equation. We have to check. When substitute x is equals to 1, y is equals to 4. So summation result is 5. So this is the pair of values which satisfies the given linear equation. So this is a solution of given linear equation. Next, I have to take y is equals to 2. Substitute these two values instead of y in the given equation. So equation becomes x plus 2 is equals to 5. X is equals to transpose this 2. So 5 minus 2, x is equals to 3. So here when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2. So when y is equals to 2, what is the value of x? That is 3. Substitute these values in the given equation. So this value satisfies the given equation. So these are the solutions of a given linear equation in two variables. This is our example 6 based on solution of a given linear equation in two variables. So our question: find the different solutions of 4x plus y is equals to 9. Complete the table wherever necessary. Here this is the given table. So these are the solutions of given linear equation. Our question mark is third one solution and fourth one simplification. These are the question marks. So here substitution: when x is equals to 0, after the simplification, what is the y value? It is 9. So here solution is x comma y, means 0 comma 9. So substitution of y is equals to 0. So substitute y is equals to 0 instead of y in the given equation. What is the x value? It is 9 by 4. Here the solution is 9 by 4 comma 0. So third one, when x is equals to 1, what is the y value? It is 5. So solution is, this is our question mark. So here solution is 1 comma 5. And next one, when x is equals to minus 1, substitute x is equals to minus 1 instead of x in the given equation. So 4 into minus 1 plus y is equals to 9. Here plus into minus minus, 4 into 1, 4 plus y is equals to 9. So y is equals to 13. So this simplification is our question. So after the simplification, what is the solution? Here x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 13. This is the solution of given linear equation in two variables. So these are the question marks. Third one solution and fourth one simplification. This is our seventh example. From topic is solution of linear equations. Here the given linear equation is x plus 2y is equals to 4. So our question: check which of the following are solutions of an equation x plus 2y is equals to 4. Check which of the following are solutions of an equation x plus 2y is equals to 4. Complete the table wherever necessary. So these are the necessary blanks. These are the necessary blanks. So here check which of the following are the solutions of given equation. This is our question. The solutions are 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, root 2, minus 3 root 2 and 1, 1 and minus 2, 3. Check whether these are the solutions of given equation. This is our question. So here first one 0, 2. Substitute these values instead of x and y. Here x is equals to 0, y is equals to 2. So result is 0 plus 2 into 2, that is equals to 4. Here the result is 4. Here RHS value of the equation is 4. LHS value of the equation is x plus 2y. Here 4 is equals to 4. LHS result is equals to RHS result. So both are same. So this is a solution of given linear equation. 0, 2 is the solution of given linear equation. Next 2, 0. Substitute 2 instead of x and 0 instead of y in the given equation LHS side. So result is 2 plus 2 into 0, that is equals to 0. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. Here RHS value is 4, LHS value is 2. So both are not equal. Here LHS is not equals to RHS. So this is not a solution. Next, third one. We have to check for 4, 0. So substitute 4 instead of x and substitute 0 instead of y in the given equation. So LHS side result is 4. So RHS value of RHS here is 4. So here LHS is equals to RHS. 4 is equals to 4. So this is a solution. Next, fourth one, root 2, minus 3 into root 2. So substitute root 2 instead of x, minus 3 root 2 instead of y. So the result is plus into minus minus, root 2 minus 6 root 2. So subtraction result is minus 5 root 2. Here the value of RHS is, in the given equation value of RHS is 4. So here LHS is not equals to RHS. Here LHS value is 5 root 2 and RHS value in the given equation is 4. So LHS is not equals to RHS. So given pair of values are the not a solution of given linear equation. Next, fifth one, 1, 1. So substitute x value is equals to 1 and y value is also 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1. So result is 3. So here RHS value is 4. So LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not equals to RHS. So it is not a solution. This is sixth one. Minus 2, 3. So here substitute minus 2 instead of x and 3 instead of y in the given linear equation. So here minus 2 plus 2 into y is equals to 3. 2 into 3 is equals to minus 2. 2 3 is 6. Minus 2 plus 6. Result is 4. So here RHS value in the given equation is 4. So both values are equal. Here LHS is equals to RHS. So result is it is a solution. This is our example 8. If x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2, is a solution of equation 5x minus 7y is equals to k. Find the value of k and write the resultant equation. This is our question. So here x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2 is equals to k. Find the value of k. This is our question. And write the resultant equation. So here substitute x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2 instead of x and y in the given equation. So 5 into 3 minus 7 into 2 is equals to k. So 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14 is equals to k. So 15 minus 14 is equals to 1. So here k is equals to 1. The value of k is equals to 1. So here find the value of k. This question is completed, and next one, write the resultant equation. So resultant equation becomes 5x minus 7y. So here k is equals to 1. This is the resultant equation. Next, checking. Check. So when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2, then what is the value of k? Here 1. So 5x. Let's take LHS side. So that is equals to 5x minus 7y. Substitute the value when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. So 5 into 3 minus 7 into 2. Result is 5 3s are 15 minus 7 2s are 14. Result is 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. So given value satisfies the equation when k is equals to 1. So this is the solution of given example. So this is our example 9. If x is equals to 2k plus 1 and y is equals to k, is the solution of the equation. The given equation is 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. Find the value of k. Here our given question, 5x plus 3y minus 7 transpose, that is equals to 7. These values are satisfies the equation, means when we have to substitute x is equals to 2k plus 1 and y is equals to k instead of x and y in the given equation, the entire result is satisfies the RHS result. So here is the solution, means LHS is equals to RHS. When x is equals to 2k plus 1 and y is equals to k, substitute these values instead of x and y in the given equation. So here 5 into x is equals to 2k plus 1. So plus 3 into y is equals to k is equals to 7. So that is equals to 5 2s are 10k plus 5 1s are 5 plus 3 into k, 3k is equals to 7. 10k plus 3k is equals to 13k plus 5 is equals to 7. Here 13k is equals to 7 minus 5, result is 2. So k is equals to 2 by 13. So finally k is equals to 2 by 13. This is checking. So take LHS. LHS side is 5x plus 3y. So that is equals to 5 into given result x is equals to 2k plus 1. So that is equals to 5 2s are 10 plus 5 plus 3k. 10k plus 5 plus 3k. That is equals to 13k plus 5. Substitute k value. Substitute k value here. K is equals to 2 by 13. 13 into 2 by 13 plus 5. Here 13 cancel. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Here LHS is equals to RHS. So x is equals to 2k plus 1 and y is equals to k is a solution of given linear equation when k is equals to 2 by 13. This is first Roman from exercise 6.2. Find the three different solutions of each of the following equations. So here one of the hint. So an easy way to getting two solutions is put x is equals to 0, we get y. Next one, put y is equals to 0, we get x. So this is our first question from Roman number 1 in exercise 6.2. So this is our first question. Substitute when x is equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, what is the value of y? Just substitute x is equals to 0 instead of x. Here 3 into 0, 4 into y is equals to 7, 3 into 0, 0, 4y is equals to 7, y is equals to 7 by 4. So, solution of the given equation is 0, 7 by 4. Next one, when y is equals to 0. When y is equals to 0, substitute 0 instead of y in the given equation. Here 3x plus 4 into 0 is equals to 7. So 3x is equals to 7. Why? Because 4 into 0 is equals to 0. Here x is equals to 7 by 3. So the values are 0, 7 by 3. Next solution, third one. When x is equals to 1, so substitute x is equals to 1 instead of x. So 3 into 1 plus 4y is equals to 7. So 3 plus 4y is equals to 7. 4y is equals to 7 minus 3, that is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4 cancel, result is 1. So here the solution of given equation when x is equals to 1, y is also 1. So when x is equals to 1, y is also 1. This is the solution. These are the three different solutions of given linear equation. So linear equation is in two variables, that is x and y. These are the solutions of given linear equation. First one is 0, 7 by 4. Next one 0, 7 by 3. Next one 1, 1. This is our second Roman. If 0, a and b, 0 are the solutions of following equations, find a and b. This is our first question. 8x minus y is equals to 34. Just we have to substitute x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 8. So are the solutions means LHS is equals to RHS. When x is equals to 0 and y is equals to a. So that is equals to 8 into x is equals to 0 minus y is equals to a is equals to 34. 0 into 8 is equals to 0 minus a is equals to 34. So a is equals to minus transpose minus 34. So here a is equals to minus 34. Checking. So substitute a is equals to 34. So here the given equation is 8x minus y. This is LHS side. Substitute the given result, given solution 8, 0 minus y is equals to a. The result is 0 minus of, here a is equals to minus 34. So minus into minus plus 34. So given result when a is equals to minus 34 satisfies the equation. Here LHS result is RHS. So A is equals to minus 34 satisfies the given equation. Next solution is b comma 0. Substitute instead of x is equals to b and y is equals to 0. Then we get value of b in the given equation. So 8 into here x is equals to b minus y is equals to 0 is equals to 34. So 8b is equals to 34. b is equals to 34 by 8. Next, checking. So here b comma 0 is solution means take LHS side. So LHS side of the equation is 8x minus y. Here b comma 0, 8 into b minus y is equals to 0. Here that is equals to 8b. What is the value of b? 8 into b is equals to 34 by 8. So result is 34. So given result satisfies the equation when b is equals to 34 by 8. Here b comma 0 is a solution of given equation. This is fifth question, fifth Roman. If x is equals to 2 minus alpha and y is equals to 2 plus alpha is the solution of the equation. The given equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. Find the value of alpha and 3 more solutions of the resultant equation. So here the given equation is 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. So 3x minus 2y plus 6 transposes to minus 6. Here x and y is a solution of equation means LHS is equals to RHS. When x is equals to 2 minus alpha, y is equals to 2 plus alpha. Substitute these results in the given equation instead of x and y. So here 3 into 2 minus alpha minus 2 into 2 plus alpha is equals to minus 6. So that is equals to 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 into alpha 3 alpha minus 2 2 is 4 minus into plus minus 2 into alpha 2 alpha is equals to minus 6. Here 6 and minus 4 are the integers and minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha are the variables. So 6 minus 4 is equals to 2, minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha minus 5 alpha is equals to minus 6. So minus 5 alpha is equals to 2 transpose minus 6 minus 2. So minus minus cancel, 5 alpha is equals to 8. So alpha is equals to 8 by 5. So here find the value of alpha. First question is completed. And also find 3 more solution means here our equation is 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 6. So when x is equals to 0, this is the simplest way to find the solutions of the given equation. When x is equals to 0, what is the y? Just substitute instead of x is equals to 0. 3 into 0 minus 2y is equals to minus 6. Minus 2y is equals to minus 6. Minus minus cancel. 2 3s are 6. So y is equals to 3. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3. This is the one of the solution of given equation. Similarly, you have to find y is equals to 0. What is the x value? When x is equals to 1, what is the y value? So this is as your homework. This is our 7th Roman. Write the 5 different linear equations in 2 variables. Write the 5 different linear equations in 2 variables and find 3 solutions for each of the following. Here I have to take one of the linear equation in 2 variables, x plus 2y is equals to 5. When So I have to find three solutions when x is equals to 0. So that is equals to 0 plus 2y is equals to 5, y is equals to 5 by 2. When x is equals to 0, what is the y value? 5 by 2. So here 0 comma 5 by 2 are the solutions of given linear equation. Similarly, second one, when y is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Substitute y is equals to 0 instead of y. So x plus 2 into 0 is equals to 5. So that is equals to x plus 0 is equals to 5. So here when y is equals to 0, what is the x value? It is 5. So solution of the given linear equation is 0 comma 5. And three more solutions means third one when x is equals to 1. So that is equals to 1 plus 2y is equals to 5. So 2y is equals to plus 1 transposes to minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So y is equals to 4 by 2. The result is 2. So here when x is equals to 1, what is the y value? 2. So 1 comma 2 is the one of the solution of given linear equation. So this is the one of the linear equation out of 5, and these are the solutions of the linear equation. So similarly you have to find remaining 4 different linear equations and their 3 solutions of each of the following. This is your HW. In first Roman exercise 6.2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems, and second Roman, second one, third one. Third one, this Roman is similar to our example 7. Try yourself. And fourth one, this is similar to example 8. And find 2 more solutions means when x is equals to 0, what is the y value? When y is equals to 0, what is x? Sixth one, HW. And seventh one, remaining 4 linear equations and 3 solutions of each of the linear equation. Okay, my dear children, if you have any doubts, please contact my number. Thank you.